Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy chicken white pozole that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Let me show you the pieces of chicken that I am using for this amazing pozole. I am using thighs, chicken breast cut in very small little pieces. Look at this. This white pozole really comes out really delicious. Very few ingredients, but yet the flavor just amazing. Of course, I have half of a head of garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves, and salt. Remember that salt is to taste. I have the water nice and hot. I am ready to first add the drumsticks. I'm going to add them first. Leave them here until it starts boiling and it starts releasing the foam. Once it starts releasing the foam, I will remove the foam. Here I'm going to add the garlic cloves, the bay leaves, and the salt. Remember, I always tell you, salt is to taste. Once you add your salt, bay leaves, and garlic cloves, you're going to just let it cook until the foam starts coming up. Once you see the foam coming up on the top of the liquid, you need to remove it. This part is very important, to remove all that foam, because that's exactly what you don't want in your amazing white pozole. Once you remove the foam and it's boiling, now this is the time to add the pieces of the chicken breast. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the pieces of the chicken breast. Once you add it, you're going to cover it, let it cook for about 10 more minutes, and you're going to see more foam on the top. You're going to remove that foam once again. Incorporate the chicken really good, the chicken breast. Incorporate it really good. After 10-15 minutes, you could see the foam again created on the top. You're going to go ahead and remove it. Once you remove your foam, then you are ready to just let it cook for about 15 more minutes. Remember that the chicken really cooks much faster than the pork meat. So here, I'm just going to leave it here. I'm going to add my chicken bouillon, and I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. This pozole really comes out really delicious and amazing. Here, I'm going to remove the garlic cloves, add the chicken bouillon. And the reason that I'm removing the garlic cloves is because I'm going to blend them. And let me show you. I have the hominy here. I am going to rinse it very well through running water. We're going to remove the liquid that it comes in, and we're going to rinse it really good. This part is very important. You want to take all those preservatives off your hominy. So here I'm going to rinse, leave it here so it really rinses and the water comes out. And then I am ready to start adding it into the chicken broth. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to reserve 1 cup of the hominy so that I could really blend the hominy, the garlic cloves, and a little bit of the chicken broth. I'm going to add it to my blender cup. Only 1 cup of hominy, garlic cloves, and the chicken broth. This is going to create your pozole really creamy, The liquid is going to be nice and creamy and thick. I am ready to blend away. It really doesn't take too long. I am going to add it into the chicken and I am going to mix. As you could see, the color really changes and even the texture changes from the pozole. Now that I added everything into my pozole, I am going to cook it for another 20 minutes and then it will be ready to enjoy. Look at this. It's boiling. The aroma of the pozole and the chicken have invaded my kitchen. The drumsticks are nice and tender and juicy. And of course, I am ready to enjoy. I'm going to leave the bay leaves in the pozole. You don't need to remove them, but if you want to remove them, it's up to you. Well, here I am ready to make my plate for the presentation. Look how delicious this looks. The drumsticks are almost falling apart. I'm adding enough of everything. And of course, you need the topping. You need cabbage, radish, lemon, and of course, the chili oil that you already have on my channel. I have the organic lemons here that I'm going to slice away. I have the radishes that I'm going to slice nice and thin. And the same thing goes with the cabbage. You want the cabbage to be nice and thin. Look at this. And this is exactly what you need for topping. Don't forget you need your tostadas. I made a smaller plate and this is what I'm going to enjoy. I hope you make it. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to add your chili oil. You're going to love this recipe. I am ready to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken white pozole. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added cabbage, I added some lemon radishes, and of course the chili oil. This is the best part. If your mouth is watering, make this amazing pozole blanco. Excuse me. So delicious. If you love pozole like I love pozole, you're going to love this recipe. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious chicken white pozole. Believe me when I say it tastes amazing. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken pozole. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.